Institute of Technology and Science, Orangal, releases new notification for the post of professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor. So this is the official website of that college. So just scroll on it and here you can see that the faculty positions apply new recruitment notification June 2021. Just click on it and you will go to one new tab. So here you can see recruitment notification June 2021 and last date of receipt application 6th July 2021. Here that you can see that recruitment notification, vacancy, position, essential qualifications and experiences, specialization for faculty requirement, information voucher and application form. So I have already downloaded all of the notifications and I will open one by one and you can see. So this is the official website, official notification that faculty recruitment date 18 June 2021. So principal as well as faculty position. So level of assistant professor, associate professor and professor. Okay. So here you can see the field in application form along with necessary document and the application fee should reach the principal Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Orangal on or before 6th July 2021. Okay. Now coming to the vacancy matrix. So here you can see that vacancy matrix. Here department is CE, ME, EIE, EEE, CSE, IT and ECE. So assistant, associate professor, all the vacancies are available. Okay. So here that note, the vacancy mentioned are indicative only. The institute reserve the right to fill or not to fill any or all the post advertised without assigning any reason. Okay. So now coming to essential qualifications. Now coming to that engineering and technology, the assistant professor, the qualifications will be BTech and ME MTech in relative branch with first class equivalent either in BE BTech or ME or MTech. Okay. Now coming to the associate professor, as qualification as above, that is for the post of assistant professor as applicable and PhD or equivalent in appropriate discipline. Post PhD publications and guide PhD student is highly desirable. Okay. Now experience, minimum 5 years of experience and teaching research of which 2 years post PhD experience is desirable. Okay. And consolidated AI API score required for 300 points from category 3 of APIs. Okay. Now here you can see that the professor qualification that. Okay. Now coming to that principal qualifications. Here you can see that qualification as above that are from the post of professor as applicable. Now coming to that the department of humanities and science like mathematics, physics, chemistry or English. This is the qualification for the assistant professor. Here you can read all that notifications. Now here that the equivalence for PhD is based on publication of 5 international journal papers, each journal having accumulative impact index of not less than 2.0, which incubate as the main author and all 5 publications being the author's area of specialization. PhD shall be from a recognized university. If a class or division is not a award, minimum of 60% marks in aggregate shall be considered equivalent to first class or division. If a grade point system is adopted, it is able converted index. Okay. So this is the grade point calculation. Pay scale will be as per AICTE F number 37/3 legal 2010 dated on 22 January 2020. Okay. So here how to calculate API score of category 2. Okay. Now coming to that the specializations for faculty requirement. So here you can see that department civil engineering, specialization structure engineering, water resources engineering, environment engineering, earthquake engineering, composite material, allied areas of civil engineering. Now coming to that the mechanical engineering department, the specialization available, hybrid machine, fuel engine, nano powders, electrical discharge machine, solar energy. Okay. Now coming to electronics and instrumentation engineering, embedded system design, VLSI system design, device modeling, allied area of electronics. Now coming to electrical and electronics engineering, here you can see electric vehicle, smart grid, renewable energy, EMI. Okay. Now coming to that computer science and engineering, information technology, IT. Okay. So here you can see all that specialization, cloud computing, deep learning, data mining, data science, IoT. Now coming to Department of ECE, so VLSI, system design, device modeling, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So faculty requirement June 2021. This is the information voucher. Okay, so prescribed application from information voucher and qualification, experience, norms and other information can be downloaded from institute website. This is the official website. So last date of the receipt of application form is 6th July 2021, and you have to pay non-refundable application fee of 1000 rupee. So this is the online payment through NEFT or RTGS account number here, or you can also demand draft drawn in favor of principal KITs Orangal payable at State Bank of India. Okay, so application form not accomplished by proof of the application fee payment will not be considered. Filled in application form with all the relevant documents is sealed envelopes and be sent this following address. Okay, and you have to write on the envelope application for faculty position June 2021, department of, and the post applied for. Okay, so here some guidelines are there, you just read. Okay, so here you can see. So here you can see the list of selection will be displayed in the website of the institute. Okay, and other information. Now I will show you that the application form, that here you can see candidate are advised to, here some advice are there, you just read. So here, so you can application fees details 1000 rupee. Here you have to write. Here you can position applied for, department, total number, teaching experience. Okay, so qualification. So this is the application form that available in the website. Okay, I will give you all the details as well as all the links in description below. And if you want more notification like that, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.